Okay, welcome back, student. Uh, See, in this session we are learning hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. See, straight chain hydrocarbons, branched chain hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons. See, first we have to learn the straight chain hydrocarbons. First one is a straight chain hydrocarbons. It is a straight chain hydrocarbons. We are taking here example is a propane. Okay, propane. See, what is the molecular formula of propane? It is a C3H8. Yesterday you learned about the propane. Next, we have to write the 3 carbons is there, 1, 2, 3, and each carbon has a 4 valency. See, it has to bind to the 4 hydrogens. See, this like 4 hydrogens. Okay. See, this is a saturated hydrocarbons, propane. Next, we have to see the unsaturated hydrocarbons. See, propene and propyne. See, we have to learn here propene. Okay. Here propene, it is a same is there, C double bond C. See, we have to see the each carbon has to satisfied with 3. It is a tetravalency. Okay, here we have to see the here also. Okay, see this like propene is there, propene. Okay, we have to see the C carbon. See 4 valence is there, 2, 1, 3, 4. See here also 2 plus 2, 4. See this like we have to write the propene. See, in your examination, means it is a board examination also asking the some structural formula. Propene, you have to write the propene structural formula this like. Okay, propine also. Propine. See, propine also we have to write the first 3 carbons. Okay, after we have to keep the, see here 3 bonds and see here 1 hydrogen and here also 3 hydrogen. See these carbons, it is a 3 bonds and 1 bond is there here. See totally 4 bonds, and these carbons also 3 plus 1, 4. See, we are calling the this is a propyne. Next, branched chain heterocyclic. Second one is a, see these are a most important. See, you have to learn. Second one is a branched chain hydrocarbons. Branched chain hydrocarbons. See, here we are writing the isobutane. See, butane formula you know, C4H10. See, here 1, 2, 3. See, here is a at a second position 1 hydrogen, 1 methyl group is there. See, here also C4H10. See, we have to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is there. We are calling the isobutane. Isobutane. Next we have to see the isobutylene. Next, isobutylene. See here also we have to take the carbons. See, 3 carbons is there, and another one is a, see, another one carbon is there. Okay, see this like you have to write properly. Okay, here also we have to write 2 hydrogens. Isobutylene. Butylene. See, this is a isobutylene. See how many hydrogens is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See this one. Next we have to see the third one is a cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic means is a cyclic in nature. Say cyclohexane. C6H6. Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. And we have to see the cyclopentane. 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 Cyclohexane means it is a 6 carbons is there. 1. See this like 6 carbons. Okay. See this like hydrogens is there. Okay, cyclohexane, this one, cyclohexane. Next, cyclopentane, penta structure. See this like. Okay, here also have a 2 hydrogens, this like. Okay. This one cyclopentane. Next, cyclohexene and cyclohexene, and we have to see the in unsaturated hydrocarbons cyclohexene. Cyclohexene we have to write the same formula. See this one cyclohexene, but here is a double bond is there. Double bond is there. See in the double bond, see only single hydrogen is there. See this like single hydrogen. Okay. See here is a double hydrogens. Okay. This is a cyclohexene. Next we have to see the benzene. Benzene structure also is there. Benzene. See benzene is a, see alternative double bond and single bond is there. Alternative double bond and single bond. See. See alternative is there, double and single bond. We have to see the here double bond, here and here. Okay, so this is a carbon. See, 1 hydrogen is there. See, this is a benzene structure. C6H6. See, this is totally saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons means carbon is a single bond is there. Unsaturated hydrocarbons means carbon is a double bond or carbon triple bond. We are calling this is a saturated hydrocarbons. See, in your examination also asking this, like you have to write the isobutane. So you have to write the isobutane. 3 carbons we have to write the straight line, and 1 carbon is we have to write here branched. See, we are calling the isobutane. Okay, isobutylene, say cyclohexene, benzene. See, this like structure you have to practice. Okay, functional group. See, we have to see the, for example, we have to take the here methane, CH4. Methane. Okay. See, in the methane, see, we have to write the, this like group is there, methyl group. See, this is a methyl group. Methyl. Okay. If remove one hydrogen, we are calling the methyl. If we are removing the one hydrogen is a, see, this is a methyl. If we remove the one hydrogen, we are calling the methyl. Okay, methyl. Next, see, we have to see this methyl group for, see, adding atom or group of atoms and chemical properties change. What will happen? See, here is a adding the, see, we are calling this group for, see, any methyl, ethyl, see, propyl, butane, pentane. See, these all are alkyl group. We are calling the alkyl group. Alkyl group. Alkyl group for, we are indicating the R. We are indicating the R. This part is called, see, we have to see the, see, this is a methyl group is there. Methyl group. Okay. See, here is a 3 hydrogen is there. And here is a adding of atoms or a group of atoms, chemical properties change. This part is called functional group. See, this part is called functional group. Functional group. Okay, functional group. See, we have to write the now definition. What is definition? Right, an atom or group of atom attached to a molecule or attached to a carbon compound. See what saying? A atom or group of atom attached to a molecule or attached to carbon compound. See, this will, see, determine the chemical properties. Compound, this is called as functional group. We have to see the functional group. See, here adding to the functional group. And alkyl means any. R, alkyl means it is a R. We have to see the alkyl means R. R plus functional group. Functional group. Okay. For example, I am writing here. See. See, we have to see the C2H5 and here add the OH. We are calling the, see, this is a functional group. This is a functional group. See, we are calling the ethyl alcohol. See, means it is a adding to the, next we have to see the, this one. See, and here add to the one functional group OH. See, we are calling the methanol. See, this like adding to the group means their chemical properties is changed. Chemical properties is changed. Okay. See, next we have to see the methyl, ethyl, butyl, pentane, propane. See, this like all are alkyl groups. That's why the alkyl group for we are indicating the only R. Okay. See. Okay, here we are learning the functional groups. See, first one is a halogen. First one is a halogen. What is halogen? We already learned the halogen. Seventh A group element for we are calling the halogen. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. See, these all are halogens. These all are halogens. See here, name halo. Halo means it is a fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. So it is a, for example, we have to see the chloro, bromo, iodo. See, these are a halogens. Next, we have to see the structural formula. We are writing the RX. X means here halogen. X means here halogen. See, we are writing X for it is a chloro, bromo, and iodo. See, this is a, and we have to see the condensed form is a RX. We are writing the this like RX. R means alkyl. X means halogens. Any halogen, chloro, bromo, iodo. Next, we have to see the second one is a oxygen. See, second one is a oxygen. Here oxygen is a, first we have to see the alcohol. See, first one alcohol. Alcohol we are indicating the ROH. See, this like ROH. But here is a condensed form. We are writing the ROH. So it is a removing the just a single bond. We are getting the ROH. Next, we have to see the next one is a aldehyde. Aldehyde. See here aldehyde RCOH. See this like we are writing the R C double bond OH. See this like writing aldehyde. See otherwise in condensed form RCHO. See this much only writing. See this is a aldehyde groups. Next ketones. Ketone. What is ketone? Ketone also it is a, see we are writing the R C double bond O R. You have to write this like also. This also upper side also we have to write. No problem. R C double bond O R. See here also condensed form R C O R. See this is a ketone. Next one is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. See this is totally about the oxygen only. See this is a halogen. Next third one. Third one here only I think. Carboxylic acid. Okay. Carboxylic acid. See here. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid means COOR. See, we are writing R C double bond OOR. See, this is a carboxylic acid. We are writing here also RCOOR. So just removing the bonds and we are writing the, see this like ether. Next ether. What is ether? Is a R C double bond O R. R O R. See. Next here we have to write the direct R O R. R O R. Okay. Next, last one is there nitrogen. Last one, third one is a nitrogen. See, third one is a nitrogen. Nitrogen, here is a amines we are calling. Amines. See, amines are NH. What is the valency of nitrogen? Nitrogen valence is a 3 is there. See, one bond is a alkyl group. See, we are writing the RNH2. See, this is a alkyl amines. See, this is about the heteroatom names and structural formula. You have to by heart this one and see 3-4 times you have to by heart and write. See, it will be easy to you. See, it is a halogens. Halogens means halogen group. 7th A group elements for we are calling the halogens. So it is a chloro, bromo, iodo. See, we are writing the RX. Okay. See, oxygen. See, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid is ether. See, these are groups we have to learn. Next, see, it is a so many number of plenty of examples is a coming in our lesson. We have to learn about the details these functional groups. Next, amines also. See, this is a NH2, RNH2. R means here, R means all alkyl group. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, propane, butane, hexane, see pentane. See, these all are alkyl groups is a coming. Okay, see this one.